Today I'm going to show you how to wash dishes. You're going to need a plug for your sink, a washcloth, dish soap, and gloves if you have them. I'm going to start with plugging the sink. And turning on the hot water. I'm going to add a little bit of soap in the bottom and let my sink fill up to about halfway full.
First, wash your glasses, plates, silverware, serving dishes, and lastly, pots and pans.
Now that my sink is about halfway full, I'm going to add in my glasses. Glasses are what you're going to wash first. So I submerge all of them in the soapy water. I'm going to get my washcloth wet and soapy. Okay, and then I'm going to pick up my first cup and I'm going to scrub it on the outside and the inside. Make sure that it looks clean. Okay, and then I can rinse it, get all of the soap off, and put it on my drying mat. I'm going to do that with all 3 cups. The next thing we're going to do is the silverware. I have a couple spoons and a measuring cup I'm going to wash. So same thing, I put them in the soapy water. And rinse. Next is plates and bowls. So same thing, I'm making sure they're in the water, and then I'm going to wash each one off. Make sure there's no food on it. I'm going to wash the front and the back. And rinse it off. Okay, next we're going to wash any serving bowls. So I have one big serving bowl to show you. We're going to wash this, same thing. Put it in our soapy water, scrub it around. Do the outside and the inside. Make sure there's no more food, and then we're going to rinse it off. Careful to stack things so they don't fall over, and make sure they're pretty secure on my countertop, not too close to the edge. The last thing we're going to wash is a pan. So your pots and pans are last. Those are usually the dirtiest because that is what you cooked your food in. So it might be baked on foods. You might have to really scrub or use a scrubber of some kind. Sometimes people let their pots and pans soak. So same thing. Washing the outside and scrubbing the inside really good, and then when it looks clean you can rinse it out. Okay, then we're going to leave our dishes to dry, or we could dry them with a towel to put away. I'm going to hang up my washcloth so it's not sopping wet. And I'm gonna unplug the drain so that the water goes out. So I took my plug out, and I'm gonna take take off my gloves. Okay, we're done washing dishes, everybody. Good job.